morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.6% in the last 3 sessions. The ROC has collapsed into negative territory. Bitcoin has gained 9.3% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator has warmed up and is now giving an overbought signal. The price of gold has gained 2.8% in the last 2 sessions. The stochastic RSI has shifted sharply into positive territory. The price of crude oil has gained 4.1% in the last session. The MACD has shot up into the positive zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Saudi Arabia will make additional voluntary oil output cuts of 1 million barrels per day in February and March as part of a deal under which most OPEC Plus producers will hold production steady. The dollar fell against a basket of major currencies on the heels of China's decision to lift its official yuan exchange rate by its highest margin since it abandoned a dollar peg in 2005. Grayscale, which is owned by Digital Currency Group, announced it would no longer hold XRP in the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. Market Services PMI will be released at 14:45 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 1300 GMT. Spain's Market Services PMI at 8:15 GMT. The U.S. Market PMI Composite will be released at 14:45 GMT. The UK's 10-year bond auction at 1000 GMT. The U.S. ADP employment change at 13:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.